So, my dear ones, now you need not speak. I am here with you. Please keep off your mic. So, my dear, whatever you are, you know, I always say that language learning is not the matter of learning. Language speaking is not the matter of learning. It is matter of practicing because speaking is a skill. You can't speak or write it just by iterating some phrases, some words, some sentences, whatever you think. And you know, I always say to my non persons, to anyone that I teach, and I should say that I don't teach, but I train the learners who come to me with the aspiration of speaking English. And I am very happy to say that I am satisfied what I do here. And I always say to other people that my students, not all, but most of my students who are not new are able to speak on any topic, whatever it is given to them. And I always say that you can give any topic anytime to my students, to the students of Raman Online Interactive English classes. And I am happy to say that you are able always to speak on that topic. I have never told about the topic to anyone since when I have started these classes. So today, though it is Tuesday today and it is not our speaking day, but our day is fixed on speaking on Saturday. But on other days, there is no fixed schedule. There may be anything. So it is not so that on other days we can't have a speaking session. We can have, definitely have. So you are just like soldiers for me. Just our soldiers are ever ready, are always ready to perform their skill. Means fighting is also a skill. I think so. So just like you are not just a student for me, you are soldiers for me. As a soldier always remains ready to face the difficulties, to face the situations which are very much complicated, but they win always. So like that, you are for me. So suddenly, though I was ready to give you a practice of prepositions, and I was just saying that today we are going to have a exercise of prepositions, but when I learned that our student Anjali, the sister of Priya and Madhu and Madhu Madhu, that she has won a prize, and actually she has not won, but she had won 6 years ago when she was in 12th class. But unfortunately, she has got the delivery today. I think today or yesterday. She got the delivery yesterday. This is a very great thing that someone wins a prize 6 years ago and gets his prize after 6 years. So prize is very important thing for us. Prize is very charming thing for us. In our student life, we are always eager to get any prize for different activities. You know very well what is prize for you. Prize is a motivation. When we get any prize, actually we get motivated. And even when we don't get any prize, and when we see anyone, any student, that yeah, that person is getting prize here for their second prize, oh, third prize, this student has got five prizes here, but I, oh, so sad, I haven't got any prize here. And also that student's parents become sad. Band kar do. Become sad, they become unhappy that their child hasn't even won a prize, won a single prize, but some other students have won many prizes. So you know what is the feeling when we have a prize, and what is the feeling when we don't have any prize, when we don't get any prize. So you know very well. So now you are bigger, you are older, so I think you may have lost the importance of the charm of the prize, what it used to be once. So I think you are clear what I am going to tell you, what I am going to say you. So my dear, once today you have a topic that is very interesting, and that is prize. And I think this is a new topic for you. We have never spoken on it. So I think you are ready for it. And if you are not ready, then first listen to the students who speak well, so that you can get ideas regarding it. And now, Anjali, once again I congratulate you on on getting your prize. You must also thank God that with the grace of God, at least you have got your prize that was due for the last.
Thank you.
No, this is not only the matter of thanks, but this is the matter of your sweets treat. You have got at least, I think the cost of that bike is more than 50,000 rupees. So please get ready to give us a treat, so that we can remember it, that yes, one of our students once got a prize, and now you will ride it definitely. So please first get your license, and then try to ride that bike. Okay. So once again, congratulations. अब ठीक है, तेरी मर्जी हो तो पार्टी वार्टी दे देना यार, नहीं तो हमने तो कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन बोल ही दिया तेरे को। थोड़ा सा हिंदी में भी समझा देता हूँ मैं तेरे को, बाकी तेरी मर्जी है भाई। है, थैंक यू प्रिया फॉर इन्फॉर्मिंग अस about your sister, because she wouldn't tell us. So okay, now I think you are ready, and I hope that you have given your names. A very interesting thing, yaar. I have got many names. Congratulations, Didi. Congratulations, Didi Gang. What is Didi Gang? What is the meaning of Didi Gang? Who is this Didi Gang? I am a Didi Gang. Now you can make a reel with it. Lo, सुन लो. On मेरी कली एक्टिवा दा. सुन लो, कौन है ये? Who is this Jyoti Sahu? I think it
Sir,
has been written by Kabir. Switch on your camera.
sir, Divyanshi Sahu.
ओ मेरी कली एक्टिवा दा. पढ़ने में तो दीदी लगते नहीं है.
Sir, Divyanshi
कली
Sahu.
कला,
Sir,
अभी गोभी का बना दूंगा कला. चलो.
Rani.
And
सर
I have
इंग्लिश में
and
बोलो
very
ये भी।
interesting thing that I have got no name. Yes, I have got it. First of all, Harshit, Sushil, Rohit, Gaurav, Kabir, Rakshit, Yamini,
सर
Lakshmi.
हर्ष भी है रोहित के बाद।
Sorry,
सर
Mister. I'm not able to see hers. Where is hers?
सर रोहित के आगे आगे देखो।
Okay, but always you write just below your name. But today you have written it on. I don't know where you have written it.
सर लिखा है रोहित के
Two
बाद मैंने
kilometers
बड़ा
away.
बड़ा हर्ष।
Okay, बड़ा बड़ा. ऐप तो कितने भी करवा लो तुमसे. So first of all, I am calling Harshit. Yes, come on. I have told you many things about price. So now you can add your ideas and express your views. Yes, come on, Arshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Arshit More, and today's my topic is prize. As you all know very well that in our society we are given prizes as an appreciation uh, to make us able to do such types of things again and again, and we so that we can be able to do such a types of things in our life. And prizes are very important for us. These teaches us that we should not stop ourselves. We should do as hard as we can, and we should achieve a prize as an appreciation. Uh, by any prize we get too much appreciated, and with that it seems to us that we can do too much than that we are doing. And after these types of things we start doing hard on that particular field, and we try to achieve a prize so that we can be able to show those prizes at different levels, and those are very important. Those are very important and nice for us. And these are the moments when our family is very much happy with us, and it seems to them that that their son or their daughter has achieved something in their life, and they are doing hard work for the thing that they have achieved. And nowadays that we can see that there are many types of prizes which are given to us so that we can improve our skills and make more than that prize. And like we can see Padma Vibhushan and such types of many prizes are given at the most at the upper level. So in my view, prizes are very important, nice, and a moment at which our family and we get happiness. That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, Sushil. खुल के बोलो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am student of the Ramban online interactive classes from 16. And today I am here with with a new topic whose name is prize. So, first of all, I want to tell you the meaning of prize. Prize means to get special respect at a stage in front of people with clapping or applauding. It is called prize. And prize motivates us to do more which we have done. And and there are many kinds of prizes, like in sports, like in sports, in poetry, in military, etc. And and we get the prize when we do something special. Like I read somewhere that a person did very well work for his village, and he was given Pa- Padam Shri award. So I think that he deserve for it because he has done a good work for his village. And when we get prize, so all people congratulate to us, and there is a smile which give us extremely happiness, and there is no price of it. And if we are not if we are not getting price, so I think that there is a fault of us. So we should try to give our best in our field so that we can also get a prize, and also can motivate to others to do anything which is good.
Very good. शाबाश. बोलते रहो.
And we should also get motivation from prize so that we can do more better in our life. So that's it.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Very good. Yes, now I am calling Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav and today I am going to tell you about prices. As we all know that prices are the most important thing in our life because they not only shows us about our preparation and the and our hard work, but also tells us about the but also prepare us for the upcoming challenges. Prizes motivate us for the upcoming challenges to face in our life. And when we get any prize, we get a lot happy. And when we don't get, then sometimes we also become sad. So we should not become sad at the times when we don't get any prize, because the prizes are the things which we can achieve also further in our life. Because when we achieve because prizes are achievable, and they are made so that we can achieve them. And if we do not get a prize, then we get some motivation to win the prize next time. And that motivation and that fire keeps us to win the prize again in the future. And when we win prizes, our family also become happy. And as you know that when our family becomes happy, then we are also very happy. And naturally it happens with all of us that when we win prize, we want appreciation from all of our colleagues and all of our relatives. It is a true thing, but sometimes when we don't get appreciation from our relatives and our friends, then we become sad that we have done a lot of hard work, and we don't get any appreciation. Then we break from inside. And that we should not be feel disappointed after the not appreciation of our hard work. We should focus on further goals and try to achieve new prizes. That's it, sir.
सर हर्ष हर्ष
हाँ हर्ष, ये बोला है मैंने।
सर नाम लिखा है मैंने।
अब बोल तो दिया तेरा नाम मैंने, और कैसे बोलूं?
अच्छा सर। Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Harshit. Today my topic is prizes. As we all know that today there are a lot of activities which happen in our school, like playing activity, musical activities, and art activities. And after winning that, we all get prizes. And after getting that, not today, but in past when we were young, then we got a lot of happiness after getting that. Because prizes are the things which gives us a lot of happiness, because these are the achievements of our hard work and hours of practice that we have done to achieve that. And if we get a prize of our hard work, then the heart feels very good, and our souls become free from stress, because it is the moment when we know that how much we are prepared for the time and we also get a motivation of doing anything in our life related to that. But many people who do not get prizes, they always become demotivated. They always feel demotivated because they have not got the prize, and they have not make their parents proud. But if they will feel this feeling, then they would not be able to achieve it further, because demotivation always take you down. But if you will be motivated by not getting the prize, that the person who got the prize and me, we both are humans, we both have same body, brain, but why only he, not me? This motivation will help him to win a prize further. And then he will get a lot of appreciation, which is a very and appreciations are a soul relaxing things. But sometimes when we do not get appreciation from our hard work, then we feel that we have done something wrong, but it is not so. We we do not get appreciation when we are saying the thing to a person who do not like us or who is jealous of us. Because jealousy is the thing which always comes on mind after hiding. So you should not be demotivated after not getting appreciations and prizes, and you should always practice hard for getting prizes. That's it.
कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोला करो बस सब लोग. गौरव.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Switch on your camera.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. I am Gaurav here, and my today's topic is prizes. So, prizes is a very exciting thing that is given to a person for taking a good decision or doing a very good action. Like there are many awards like Bharat Ratna and many others. There are many, and prizes are given in many stages of life, like in schools, in colleges, or in exams. Like we have an example today of Anjali Didi and she was given a prize 6 years ago, but the prize was delayed and delivered in this year. So, prize is a very exciting thing. Prize is so there are many things like Bharat Ratna and you. And prize is to symbolize a people's good experience. That's it. Thank you, sir.
थोड़ी आवाज ऑडियो वाज नॉट क्लियर. योर ऑडियो वाज नॉट ओके.
सर मतलब पता नहीं है.
चलो ओके कोई बात नहीं. यस थोड़ा सा लोकेशन देख लो इधर उधर आ जाके तो लोकेशन का पता चल जाएगा किस लोकेशन में अच्छा कनेक्टिविटी रहती है.
नहीं सर अच्छा है पर वो माइक में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है.
अच्छा ओके. यस कबीर.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I'm the student of Rambad Online Interactive Classes from XP18. Today's my topic is prizes. As we all know that when we do any good thing in our society or world, people gives us prizes. These prizes show our hard work and studies, etc. Prizes are not come easily because we have to do hard work for achieve it, and we should play any game. We should do studies by which we can achieve prizes. Prizes are given in many fields like in play, studies and other things. Sometimes school gives us certificate, medal, etc. These are very important for our life because this thing show us these things show us our hard work and our achievements. So we should do hard work for achieve anything. So by which we can take any job for anything, get any job, and we should not take fuzzy things, fuzzy prizes. Yes, sir, that's it.
बहुत अच्छा. आज तो अच्छा बोला तू. ध्यान से फोकस करके बोला का थोड़ा सा. यस नाउ फर्जी की जगह फेक थिंग्स. फर्जी थिंग क्या होती है? यस कम ऑन रक्षित.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am telling on the topic that is prize. As you all know that what is a prize? a prize is a thing that is given to you when you do good or the best in the in the competition or anything and that in which you have participated, and prize is a symbol of respect for the person who gets it, and and when a person gets a prize, he or she gets a feeling of happiness, because because to get the prize the person has done a lot of hard work, and then he got the prize, and and prizes can be in different forms, not only in the type of trophies or medals, and and in India there are different stages of prizes, like there are 4 types of civilian awards in India: uh, Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Shri, and the highest award in India is Bharat Ratna, and and in the and on the other side there are also uh, many prizes in India for in the field of military, or and and these prizes are given when a person does a courageous work for the country, and the prizes are Parmveer Chakra, Veer Chakra, and Mahavir Chakra, Kirti Chakra, Ashok Chakra, and Shaurya Chakra, and these are classified in the top ranking awards in India, and the person who gets these prizes is very lucky and very hardworking, and prizes also show us the hard work, and the hard work behind the hard work of the person, and and where and when we participate in a competition and we get a prize, we feel happy, and we see others getting prize, we also gets motivation. But on the other hand, if we do not get prize, will become little sad. But we should try to take participation in the competitions, and this is a different thing that we gets or do not gets prize. We should try first, and answer, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. Very good. Now think this is the turn of Yamini.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Saw. I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today, my topic is prizes. So, first, I want to say that the prizes are so important for us. In our surroundings, we can see that so many types of competitions organized by our school, colony, country, nation, etc. In this competition, the person who perform best is awarded with a prize.
शाबाश बेटा. Very good. हाँ.
This prize show that the person do hard work for it a lot. That everyone say that the person who get the prize is very lucky, but in my view, he is not lucky, because before this prize, only he knows that how much hard work he do, and for how he make himself eligible for it. So the person is not lucky. Uh, the prizes are given us because appreciate to
Because
do
to appreciate.
best,
Because
to appreciate
हाँ.
to appreciate more good. Sometime the people do hard work for only getting prize. So prizes are important. If a person who do lot of hard work, but after all of this, he he get nothing, then he stop doing hard work
Hmm.
because all of this he has nothing. So price is important. Sometimes some small things affects us more. Um, Sometimes if we do something and our parents give anything for it, then we become happy and try to do more good. And this try make us hardworking and concentrated, etc. But nowadays we can see that the big companies, newspapers, and fast food companies make prices. They use prices like a trap. They organize prize show in which in which they uh, they organize a competition, and in the reward he give prize, but only one and two. The lot of people participates in it, but he gave he gave prizes for 1 and 2%. In by this he get by this the company gets profit. So the prices become so the prices sorry so the use of prices become useful for companies. In generally we can see that when a shop opens newly, they for getting population popular क्या बोलते reputation, uh, they they give prizes like you please come in our shop. If you will come in our shop and buy something, we will give you a book, a pencil, a cup, etc. For getting a popular environment, they do so. So in each condition of our life, we should do hard work for not only a prize, for making us more good. We should do hard work. Thank you, sir. That's it.
वेरी गुड बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया। अब तो बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म करने लग गई तू। गलती कम करती है अब। चल ध्यान रखा करेगा
Thank you.
ऐसे, है ना? यस नाउ लक्ष्मी।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is about prize. Prize is a very precious thing for a student because when a student work hard, so he or she get a prize. And there are many type of prize like Nobel Prize, international prize, prize, and education award. and and a student work hard, then he he get prize. And current generation don't
डजंट
work hard. सर अभी की जनरेशन
बेटा, जनरेशन सिंगुलर हो गया ना, अनकाउंटेबल है तो डजंट आएगा ना।
यस सर
बोल बोल बोल, घबराए मत। हाँ
current generation doesn't work hard, but they want to get prize.
शाबाश,
and
बहुत बढ़िया।
and a person write any story and essay, so he gets prize. And all parents want to all parents have a dream that their children can get prize. And if a student work hard, so he get prize. And I will also get a prize next year because I got first position in my class. So I am very happy because this will be result this will be the result of my hard work. And and prize is a very important thing in the student life. And that's it, sir.
गजब है यार, वही है क्या तू?
Yes, sir.
अरे वेरी गुड, बहुत बढ़िया. यस, कम ऑन प्रिया. सब लोगों का परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा है, नो डाउट. यस, प्रिया मैडम.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Priya Meena, the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today is our topic prizes. So prizes are given us for our hard work and to get more
आवाज
achievements in
क्लियर
our
नहीं,
life.
आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही तेरी.
मैं बोलूं,
हम्म.
prizes are very important in our life and these are given us for our hard work and to motivate us and get more achievements in our life. By getting prizes, uh, we are happy and positive mindset, and they are serve as recognition and rewards for our achievement. If there is no prizes in any field, so there would be no competition in a field, and the people don't सर दिखाने को क्या बोलेंगे,
शो.
don't show their interest in the in the in that those fields. So prizes are also helpful to encourage us, and prizes are given as many stages and fields, like in the field of education, in the field of sports, in the field of Bollywood industry, etc. And prizes prizes always influence others also, and because others also show their interest to in those activities and also involve in those activities. Prizes are valuable. All these all these always remember our success, and in I want to say that the prizes are always given on time,
शाबाश.
because each person has not patience like Anjali Didi. So if the prize is not given on time, so it
सही है.
it can be hurt others, and it can be hurt our expectations also.
But when you get your prize, you become happy. You forget your heart that you were hurt here. Even
Yes, sir.
you get more happiness when you get a prize like a scooty after 6 years when you have lost all the hopes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Carry on.
So, in the last, I want to say that the value of price is very precious, and it doesn't matter that how expensive it is. That's it.
शाबाश. Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Yes. Now, Vaishnavi.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Vaishnavi. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. And today we have a new topic whose name is price. You know very well that price is the symbol of respect. And when we do any best thing, and if we have any done any work, so we got prize. And there are
Get बेटा, tense का ध्यान रखिए.
yes, sir, get prize.
हाँ.
And there are many prizes like Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, and etc. And we got prize in we get prize in the field of education, sports, and in the field of Bollywood, and prize is a very important for the student, and um, and if we don't get the prize, we should not give up. We should more and more try again and again, and
शाबाश शाबाश बहुत
and we
बढ़िया।
should not hopeless
Become hopeless
in
हाँ।
that, and there are many prizes like gold medal, silver medal,
हम्म,
Padma Vibhushan, etc.
शाबाश शाबाश।
And prize motivates us, and when we get the prize, our parents feel very happy and they proud of us.
they are proud of us हाँ बोलो बोलो कोई बात नहीं बोलो छोटी छोटी चीजें हो जाएंगी ठीक फोकस करो बस बोलो बेटा।
And prize is a very prize is the symbol of respect,
शाबाश बहुत बढ़िया।
and yes sir, that's it.
बहुत बढ़िया वेरी कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत अच्छा है ना। अच्छे से सेंटेंसेस इधर उधर घुमा घुमू के बोल देते हो, यही तो चाहिए, यही होता है बेटा, स्किल है ये प्रैक्टिस से ही आएगी, 100% प्रैक्टिस से ही आती है। यस खुशी।
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kushi Gujjar. My topic is prize. There are many types of prize, like education prize, sports prize, novels prize, and etc. All prize are very important for the one who has worked hard,
शाबाश यार बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड, क्या बोला है यार। हाँ
and all parents has a dream that their child
should
get prize and winner in all activities. Someone get prize and their family become happy, and society and other people admire that person
बहुत
who
बढ़िया
get
वेरी बढ़िया। हाँ
if if someone don't if someone doesn't get prize, so that person feel bad and demotivate and
बढ़िया वेरी गुड बेटा। हाँ
etc.
हाँ यार
Prize is very important for that every person. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया शाबाश बेटा बहुत बढ़िया। बियॉन्ड माई एक्सपेक्टेशन, योर परफॉर्मेंस इज बियॉन्ड माई एक्सपेक्टेशन। मतलब बियॉन्ड तो नहीं कह सकते खैर, क्योंकि मुझे पता होता है कि दिस पर्सन कैन डू, सो आई डू हार्ड वर्क विद दैट पर्सन, आई कैन डू एनीथिंग फॉर दैट पर्सन। इफ समवन गिव्स मी रिजल्ट, if I have a hope from anyone that yes, this person may give me result here, this person is doing hard work, then I can do anything for that person. Because what is my dream and what is my aim? To make you means those who are here with me, to make them speak English. So I am very happy that I am successful with your cooperation and your hard work. Keep it up. शाबाश बेटा very good, बहुत अच्छा। नो क्या क्या लिख देते हैं सर, प्लीज मे आई लीव। मधु
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Madhu Kumari Meena. I am the student of Ramban Interactive Classes from Batch 20. Today, my topic is about prize. About prize is very important in our life. The meaning of prize is I think that given
बेटा थिंक
for
नहीं होता है,
our
ये थिंग होता है ये.
a thing, sir, a thing uh, given for our good work and uh, good performance by government. Good performance. Sorry, sir.
शाबाश शाबाश, घबराए
Uh,
मत, सही बोल रही है, घबराए बिल्कुल मत, फोकस करके रख, बस कॉन्फिडेंस रख अपने अंदर, हमें पता है,
there
घबराए
are
मत.
two types of prizes like some money, shields, Padam Shri award and Padam Shri award, Padam Vibhushan, etc. Um, prize prize is prize is given uh, by government and other institutes.
शाबाश शाबाश, घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी, फोकस करके रख. हाँ, दिमाग से पैदल थोड़ी है कोई तू, ना बोल.
I experienced in our life.
अरे वाह यार, वेरी गुड एक्सपीरियंस का यूज कर लिया आपने, वर्ब बहुत बढ़िया बोला, बोलती रह तू.
I experienced in my life. Uh, uh, for example, when I was in fifth class, I got some money. I got 5,000 rupees
Oh,
as 5,000 rupees as a prize by government, and then I
5,000.
I I was I get good marks in 10th class.
Got.
I got क्या sir?
आगे बोल.
Okay sir. I got a scooty as prize.
हाँ,
Uh,
you also.
yes sir.
तुम तो पूरे घर वाले ही, क्या बात है सब. घर का बट्टा बिठा के छोड़ोगे तुम, एक एक घर में 4 4 एक्टिव है यार, कमाल करते हो तुम लोग यार. चल कोई बात नहीं, कांग्रेचुलेशन, शाबाश बेटा, आगे बोल. तेरे को भी 6 साल बाद मिली थी क्या? Did you get it after 6 years?
सर बता रही हूँ ना.
अच्छा बता रही है, बता. हाँ, ओके.
Yes sir. A scooty as prize by government, but this prize I got about 5 years
Oh
ago.
my God, this is a tradition. Lakshmi, you will also get 6 years later. Yes, shabash.
Yes sir. Uh, when I uh, when I was 9th and 11th class, in 11th class, I got many seals and certificates also, and my when I and our siblings get any prize, then I feel very happy, and all family members become very happy, and my elder sister is Anjali. She got a scooty as prize. I about 6 years ago.
Ago, nahi, later, about 6 years after.
Later. Okay, sir. After.
Like you, as you got after 6 years.
Yes, sir. I and my family members feel very happy, and I appreciate to you.
Why?
I appreciate my sister, and also congratulate, and
Not taking party. ये तो ले लेंगी आपस में, बहनें हैं भाई, हमको कौन देगा.
सर मैंने तो चेंज कर ली इसकी.
मैं तो स्कूटी ले लेके बैठे हो यार, तुम कमाल करते हो यार. बोलो.
यस सर.
चल प्रिया, चलते हैं किसी दिन, ये घर पे चलते हैं किसी दिन.
Prizes motivate us, and prizes push up towards our goals, and um, we should hard work and
We should do
get
hard work.
prizes.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
We should do hard work.
Get we should hard work and get
Do hard work
some.
only. Continue.
Okay,
हाँ,
sir. That's it, sir.
बस बढ़िया यार, कमाल करते हो तुम लोग यार। मतलब अमेजिंग परफॉर्मेंस है आप लोगों का। कब आए थे तुम मेरे पास? कितने महीने पहले आए थे? अगस्त में आए थे तुम मेरे पास। मैडम देख लो अब आप यार, और तो क्या कहें। अब तो ठीक है, हैं? अब तो हो गया तेरा काम? नहीं हुआ अभी भी?
हो गया सर।
हो गया? वेरी गुड। अब तो जो हम चाहते थे वो हो गया। स्पीक इंग्लिश एज यू विश। नाउ आई एम हैप्पी। सभी का परफॉर्मेंस शानदार है। वेरी गुड यार, ठीक है। काजल,
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Mena. Today's topic is prices. Price is very important thing.
जगह बदल, अपनी आवाज साफ नहीं आ रही, थोड़ी सी ढंग से जगह बदल। फोन का वॉल्यूम बढ़ाओ। आवाज लगा के बुला रही है क्या नेटवर्क को?
नहीं सर, वो मेरी बहन के से फोन में से हॉटस्पॉट चल रहा है।
अच्छा बोल।
उनको बुला रही हूँ।
तो बढ़िया सा फ्रेम व्रेम लगा के बैठी है। हाँ,
अच्छी से आ रही है?
अब ऐसी आ रही है आवाज, प्रॉपर नहीं आ रही तेरी आवाज।
एक मिनट सर।
बेटा यहीं बैठा करना
सर, अब आ
रोजाना
रही
तू। हाँ अब आ रही है। यहीं बैठा करना रोजाना तू भी। क्या रोजाना रोजाना जगह बदलती रहती है?
नहीं सर, मैं वही बैठती हूँ।
बोल।
Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Meena. Today my topic is prices. Price is very important thing in our life, uh, which is which give us happiness, and we we get prizes for our hard work, and if we do hard work, we get many prizes, and we can get prizes in many fields like sports, education, etc. And sometimes we get prizes during shopping, and during
ड्यूरिंग, हाँ
buy many things. And this time we feel lucky,
शाबाश
and
शाबाश,
uh,
हाँ।
and we get also happy, and
हम्म,
if we get prizes because of our hard work, this thing give us more happiness, and we should do hard work, and and achieve our goals, and if we got prizes, uh, we should we we get motivated, and prizes are very important thing in our life, because
हम्म,
for getting prizes we should do we do hard work, and last time in last we get
that prizes and this thing give us happiness. That's it.
शाबाश। थोड़ा सा आवाज का इश्यू था बस, बाकी तो ठीक है यार। अब तो अच्छी अच्छी चीजें कर रहे हो आप लोग, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा है। हाँ भाई आजा अंजलि, यही तो है आज की प्राइज गर्ल। प्राइज गर्ल,
Yes.
यस।
Hello everyone. My name is Anjali. Today I'm telling about the prize. And there are many prizes in India. Uh, Sri like Padam Sri, Padam Vibhushan, Padam Bhushan, etc. The biggest is in India, Bharat Ratan. Uh, there are many prizes for all uh, all fields, like in sports field, in art field, and in in college, in a film industry, etc. And um, motivate students. Prize increase our family reputation and increase our confidence and get person feel happy and feel confident and yesterday I got a prize.
हाँ, आई ना असली बात पे। हाँ हाँ, फिर
Yesterday I got a prize
डिड यू गो टू
of
टेम्पल
yes sir.
लॉर्ड गणेश जी आफ्टर गेटिंग योर प्राइज?
नो सर, पापा वहाँ पे चले गए थे गांव, वहाँ पे गए थे फिर मंदिर।
देन व्हेन विल यू गो?
यस सर।
यस सर, व्हाट सर? व्हेन विल यू गो टू द टेम्पल विद योर बाइक?
टुमारो सर।
गणेश जी हो जाएंगे पापा?
हाँ सर,
पापा हो
जाएंगे।
हैं? जाएंगे अब?
सर कल जाएंगे।
ओके ठीक है बेटा, बोल बेटा।
Okay. Yesterday I got a prize of which I was waiting for 6 months.
अरे वाह
6
यार
weeks.
बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया सेंटेंस बना के बोला यार, वेरी गुड।
And
ऑफ विच
this prize I got my hard work and my patience.
विद माय हार्ड वर्क।
My hard
समय
work
देना यहाँ पे जरूरी होता है, चीजें नहीं लटक जाती है। कोई बात नहीं, बोलो, ध्यान रखो थोड़ा। हाँ
and this prize got my hard work and
हार्ड
my
वर्क गॉट दिस प्राइज, won this prize. My hard work won this prize for me.
and I feel I got this prize. I feel happy and thank you, sir.
Not
And
just thank you. I want party.
okay, sir.
Now you can come to me. Now you have a bike, but don't ride it without license. Okay, first get your license, beta.
Yes, sir.
है ना? हाँ. Okay. Congratulations, beta. Once again, I'm very happy.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Because
to
you
all.
have got a bike so that it can make easy for you to go anywhere.
Yes, sir.
And when you get a prize after 6 years, it gives you a lot of happiness, because by that time you have lost your hope of getting the prize. So once again, congratulations. Thank you, beta. Do you have anything to say more?
I last patience is bitter. It's Fruit is sweet.
Bash.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Very good बेटा. हाँ, मुस्कान है क्या? बोलेगी बोल. बोल. अरे आवाज आ रही है क्या इसकी? देखना जरा, आवाज बढ़ा के बोल थोड़ा. आवाज आ रही है? नहीं, तुमको आ रही है क्या? थोड़ी थोड़ी. अरे तेरे को तो आ रही है, तेरी आवाज तेरे को तो आएगी. इनको पूछ रहा हूँ मैं, इनको भी आ रही कि नहीं आ रही? आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही?
सर थोड़ी बहुत.
अब देखो.
सर हल्की हल्की आ रही है.
अब देखो, बोल. हाँ. हम्म. हम्म. Get. We get. Hmm. शाबाश. Hmm. 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 अरे वाह यार. अरे बेटा, आज तो तेरे बहुत अच्छा बोला तूने, पर अनफॉर्चुनेटली आज तेरी आवाज गई. मतलब तेरा सिस्टम थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो गया नेट का. चलो कोई बात नहीं है, फिर भी बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है तेरा बेटा. कोशिश की हमने. रिकॉर्डिंग सुनना सबसे लास्ट में आएगी. तेरी रिकॉर्डिंग है ना, बिल्कुल लास्ट में जाके सुनना बेटा. चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच. नाइस परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ ऑल.